Hey everyone, welcome inside one of the most advanced flatbread facilities in the world. You smell that? That's the rich, earthy aroma of fresh whole wheat. And today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to see how we turn raw grain into the perfect, pillowy chapati. Now, forget everything you know about mass-produced bread. It all starts right here, with this premium stone-ground Atta flour. We don't just dump it in, we treat it like gold. We're running it through high-intensity magnetic traps and lab testing every batch for the perfect gluten strength. If the science isn't spot on, the Bon Chapati won't get that legendary puff we're looking for later. Moving over to the mixing heart of the plant, check this out. We're combining that flour with just a pinch of mineral salt and a touch of healthy lipids. But the real secret? It's the warm water. It slightly gelatinizes the starch, making the dough as soft as an earlobe, which, believe it or not, is the gold standard for a perfect homemade Bon Chapati. Once the dough has had a chance to relax in those massive stainless steel hoppers, it's showtime. These machines are incredibly precise, portioning out these little dough pearls before they head into the hot press. This isn't just about flattening them, we're flash sealing the surface. That skin is what traps the steam inside, so when they hit the high heat oven, they inflate like little golden balloons. It's a total thermal shock, cooking them from the inside out in seconds so they stay light, airy, and never doughy. But we can't just bag them while they're hot. They take a scenic route through these cooling fans to prevent any moisture buildup. We're checking for 100% flexibility here. If it doesn't bend without cracking, it doesn't make the cut. Finally, they're gas flushed for freshness and sealed tight. You can see our robotic arms over there, prepping the pallets, getting them ready to hit the supermarket shelves, and, ultimately, your dinner table. From a high-tech lab to a soft, steaming side for your favorite curry, that is the journey of the modern Bon Chapati. It's where heritage meets high-speed engineering. If you love seeing how your favorite foods are made as much as I do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. And hey, I want to hear from you. How do you eat your Bon Chapati? Are you a dip-it-in dal person? Or do you prefer the classic ghee glaze? Let me know in the comments below.
Morning. Here's your fresh batch of chapati.
Excellent. I'll just confirm the manifest numbers now.
We'll get these moved right away. This bun chapati is perfect.
Here, sweetheart, try some of the grilled pork with it.
Thanks, Mom. It smells amazing.